Hey, what up? This is Eddie04, and today we will customize our Nintendo Pro Controller. Now, have you ever had that problem where you went to your friend's house and everybody had the same controller? You put them all together, you didn't even know how to identify your controller. You have to put like a rubber band or some kind of marks so that you can know which controller is which. Well, today we will do something a little bit different where we'll be changing or customizing our Nintendo Pro Controller from this to this. So what we're going to be using today is actually an extreme rate replacement kit where you can either change your grip, you can change the housing, or even the buttons. Now you can go ahead and check the links in the description below for all the different accessories that are available from Extreme Rate. Also, I'll be using a different tool today, which is my automatic screwdriver, which you can get the links in the description below as well. So we just need to remove the screws that are here at the bottom of the grips. Pretty straightforward, just some normal Phillips screws. You can use a Phillips screwdriver. Now we just need to slide down both grips, the right and the left. Pretty straightforward, and then just use the lining to push them back up with the new grips. Make sure to align them correctly, and pretty straightforward. You're going to also push this one up as well. And now just screw back the Phillips screws to hold on to grips. So if you're interested in using any of the tools that I have used in this video, just go ahead and check the link in the description below. And there you got your Nintendo Pro Controller customized. So which method do you like the best? You can customize your game controller in multiple ways. You can either change only the hand grip, the entire housing, or the buttons. If you like this kind of videos, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a brand new video. This was Eddie04. So which other parts would you like to customize? Now this is just the hand grip, but you can also change the housing or even the buttons. Now if you like this kind of videos, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a brand new video. This was Eddie04. See you on the next one.